Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to style your Jordans with a matching outfit. You're not going to want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright, guys, so as you know, there's a lot of outfits you can do to match your Jordans. Me personally, Jordans are the finishing touch to your outfits. There's all different looks you can do with it. You can do a more professional look, a casual look. There's all different types of looks you can do to match your Jordans or for your Jordans to match your outfit. Now, the main purpose of this video, guys, is to actually show you what I've been working on for you guys, which is creating matching shirts and sweatshirts that match your Jordans perfectly. Okay, so recently I started an Etsy account where I create different shirts, hoodies, socks, all that stuff to match your Jordans. Okay, I just started it. It's really new. It's only probably 2 weeks old from the date of this video, and I am super excited about it, and I'm just getting started. We have about 12 listed right now, but I want to keep doing different shirts to match your shoes perfectly. Now, in this video, make sure you stay to the end, because at the end of this video, one of you may have a chance to win a free shirt of your choosing. So don't forget to stay to the end. Now, like I said before, I started an Etsy account that has different shirt designs that matches perfectly to your Jordans. How does it match perfectly, you may ask? Well, the colors I match exactly to the same colors of your Jordans. So, for instance, let's say you have a pair of Bred 11s, okay? I will, in the shirt, have that same red color and the black color in that. Other shirts, you know, recent ones I've done, the Starfish 13s. In those, I have the same exact orange and I have the white in there as well. So, all of these shoes, guys, I literally match the same exact color to the shirt, okay? And I have different designs on the shirt. It's not just basic designs. These are designs that you guys will not be able to find anywhere else but my store, because no one else is doing the same shirts that I am doing. Just so you guys get an example, right here is my store. You guys can check it out right here. These are the shirts I have listed right now. As you see, I have about 12, all different types of Jordans right now. I have a couple of Yeezy ones too. Now, if you guys want to check out my store and see these shirts and try to get your hands on one, all you gotta do is go to kickscrib.com. I'm also gonna put it in my description just in case you forget, and you can click on the link and go right to it. Also, if you are going to my website from this video and you order a shirt from this video, I'm gonna give you a coupon right now, coupon code. That way you can get 10% off your first order. Right here is the code that you guys are gonna be using, right here. You don't have to get multiple shirts. You only have to get one shirt. And right there is your free coupon code if you would like to use it. Now, like I said, these shirts are all designed for matching your outfits, okay? But now I have something for you. Yes, this video is short. This is the last part I wanted to show you guys, where one of you has the opportunity to get something for free, okay? So what I want you to do is, if there is a certain shoe, a certain Jordan shoe or a Yeezy shoe that you want me to create a shirt on, and even put some sort of design that you want me to cater towards. For example, on those Starfish 13s, I put a starfish on there, and I also did a number 23. So if there's a certain kind of concept that you guys want to see on a shirt, put that down in the comments along with what shoe you want it to go to and what colorway you want. I want you to put that all in the comments, okay? Now, the comment that has the most likes on it, okay? So what I want you guys to do is, if you don't want to comment one, like another one that you would like to see done. If you have the most likes on your post, I will reach out to you personally and I will get you a free shirt of your choosing. Okay, free shirt. No, you don't have to pay for shipping, none of that. Free, right to your door. All you gotta do is put the shirt you want to see in the comments. So that means, you know, the exact shoe, that means the color, and any sort of design that you want to see. And again, if yours has the most likes, and we're going to do around 30 days from this point. If in 30 days from this point of seeing this video, you have the most likes on your comment, then you will get a free shirt from me, no questions asked. Okay? So, thank you guys for helping out with that. Check out the store and still give me ideas and stuff like that. Also, don't forget to use the coupon code right here, 10% off any order. And this is special for you guys. Not everyone knows about this. Only the people on my channel here will get this coupon. So make sure you use it up. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, and today we matching some outfits to some Jordans, and some Jordans to some outfits. And this is my store right here, guys, and I hope you guys check it out, and hopefully I can help you guys out. So I'm gonna see you next time.